spying on Felicity and Bailey.
Really?
Yeah.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Shh. Be quiet.
No, you be quiet.
I said you be quiet first, girl.
No, you gotta be
Shut
quiet.
up.
No. Shh.
What?
I think they're suspecting something.
They're really loud.
Then.
I'll get over here.
Oh my God.
I'll get over here.
Text message. That's so desperate. I know.
I can't really hear what they're saying. Let's get a closer look.
Yeah, let's
Look
go.
what you are.
Hey, we're not done.
We're not dumb either. I mean, I'm not dumb either.
Anyway, you go back to what you were doing. Come on, let's go.
Oh my gosh, look, I should put this now instead.
I can hear them, but I can't see what they're texting.
Let's go. A little
They're
closer.
so. Let's get
weird.
Let's get our invisible shield.
They're so weird.
Yeah.
I wonder.
Oh, what is that?
This is
oh
an
my
email.
gosh, that's so desperate.
What are they? Guys, a little privacy?
Hey, they suspect us. This is all your fault.
This is all your fault.
This is all yours.
You know what? I'm gonna name this for some reason the Pink Ducks.
What? No. It's purple zebras.
You know what, girl? I'm gonna throw you down.
I'm gonna throw you down. I'm gonna throw.
You want a piece of me? You
No.
want a piece of me?
No.
Oh no! No. You want a piece of me?